They really thought of everything whenever they were designing this. They got a pop-out frother. Nice storage spot for the scoop. A ability to put your cup in here. That way you're not brewing with the whole carafe. We're going to call this a Snag cup, but allows you to turn off the brewing whenever you want to pull the carafe out or you want to snag a cup. This is adjustable all the way up for your tiny little espresso cups, all the way down to here. When you're done brewing an espresso pod, they pop down into your little trash can. They even made it removable. How thoughtful. The water tank has your levels on here so that you know what you need to brew. So minimum a cup, I think, is what it requires. This whole thing is able to be lifted out. There's a check valve in the bottom, so you can go fill this up at your sink. They give you a nice QR code here with how-to instructions. It says peel here, but I think we're going to leave that. That's better than a manual these days.